If you have not already subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, so if you're going to buy a salt chlorine generator and you're going to convert your pool over, make sure that it's for a larger pool. So if you have a 30,000 gallon pool, make sure it's rated for 40,000 gallons. What will happen is that the salt cell will not run as hard and you'll get more lifespan out of it. The number one tip that I want to give you is, if you already have a salt pool or you're getting one, make sure that the salt cell is off for 24 hours before you turn it back on. I see this happen all the time when I start a new customer. They never knew to turn the salt cell off. Then I ask them how long are they getting before they have to buy a new one, and it's cut in half. Make sure that your salt cell is always off for 24 hours. You know, keep the pool running, just put it on 0%. And yeah, so hopefully this video could help you out. If you do have a salt pool, those are the two tips that I'm going to recommend. You know, if you're going to be replacing a cell, make sure it's for a larger pool. You'll get a longer lifespan out of it, and definitely make sure to have the salt cell off every time that you add any type of chemical, specifically anything granular. It will damage the titanium plates, and it's going to shorten the lifespan of the salt cell. And they usually don't tell you that at the local pool stores, from what I'm hearing. So hopefully this could help you out, and I appreciate all my viewers and subscribers, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.